Let's go now to MS Now's Ariel Hickson, who is at a toy store in Virginia. Ariel, I know this is one of those companies that has felt the tariff. So what does this ruling mean for this toy store and other small businesses like it?
Well, Anna, this is such a high-stakes court decision that's expected to impact so many across the country, especially small businesses that have really been grappling with so many over the past year, so many issues, including trying to not only retain their employees, but also make sure that their customers are happy with those high prices. I'm here at Pippin Toy Company in Alexandria, Virginia, speaking with Amy Rutherford. She is the toy owner here. Big decision that just came out. The president just ruled that, the Supreme Court just ruled that the president can no longer impose tariffs moving forward. How do you feel about this?
Well, I was bracing for the worst, and to get that, the ruling today was such a relief. I'm nearly in tears. I'm shocked at how relieved I am. This is big. It's very big.
That's fantastic. And how are you going to prepare for the future? I know you just said that you were nearly in tears about this. Last year must have been tough, especially during the holidays. How are you thinking as you plan ahead for your small business?
Well, with this administration, we don't know what could happen next. And I think there are still alternatives that he may try. So we're cautiously optimistic and are going to plan as best we can, but keep hope alive. That tomorrow will be this is a good thing and things will get better. So
that's fantastic. And one thing that I think is on so many people's minds, especially small businesses, is the idea of refunds. Yes. That wasn't really touched on. Do you have an optimistic thought about that? Do you think that there is a chance that there will be some type of retribution moving forward?
Well, I certainly hope so. For my sake, for the manufacturer's sake, for so many people's sake that does happen. Fingers are crossed that the good news continues.
Excellent. And I guess, what's your mindset to your employees? I think that's something that so many people were thinking about, the idea that when those prices were so high, it's really difficult to make sure that you can still have your employees and make sure that they are taken care of. Yeah. What's going to be your message to them? Oh,
it's going to be of joy. I'm already getting texts from virtually everyone on my team saying, "Yay, this is a good thing." It's a great win, and I'm going to send an email out today just to let everybody know that things are going in a better direction.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Thank you so much, Amy. There's kind of the sentiment that we're expecting to hear across the country, very positive from small businesses from this really high stakes ruling that we just heard. Anna?